If we want to combine two faces, we will use the method I tell you. First, we choose the subject whose face we want to place on the second subject. You can do this with any selection tools. It is enough that a certain amount. Tadukat tanutizinaitesisaka himishinaiju isi sahate aimieno. Make your selection neatly and with great precision. Be careful not to get too close to these distances. First, make sure to align these distances. Then we select the move tool and grab it, and we drag it over to the subject where we want to change the face. Now we adjust the dimensions and size. I make it a bit smaller. With Ctrl and plus, I zoom in a bit so I can have more precision. And place the subject where it should be. By right-clicking, we select warp and adjust it a bit as well. Be careful to have some patience with your settings and don't rush. After we've made the selection and everything is in order, we press enter. After pressing enter, we come and select my layer by holding Ctrl and left clicking on the layer. Enter the select menu, choose modify and click on contractor. Now, from here we proportionally set the number of pixels. For example, I estimate that 10 pixels here are sufficient to make our selection area a bit smaller. I click OK, our selection area got a bit smaller. Okay, the next thing we need to do is select the lower layer and press delete on the bottom. When we press delete on the lower layer, if you notice, the face of our lower layer is erased and no longer has a face. After that, it is sufficient to select both layers together. And we enter the edit menu. There is an option called auto blend layers. We select it and perform the settings as you see them. It should be set to panorama mode and make sure these two options are checked. After I hit OK, something amazing happens. The faces of both subjects were combined together. You can see how naturally this happened. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can see how naturally this happened. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.